Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to completely collect onsen egg, all-day missions, all-day quests in Heartopia. First, make sure you have talked to NPC Naughty at the Onsen Mountain. This NPC. Just talk to him, and then just accept the quest. And after that, you will be asked to find onsen eggs and take photos with them. And don't worry if you are a new player or if you miss a few days. The winter force event started last Saturday, so even if you are late, you can still complete the previous days. You can still take photo with the eggs, and in here I will show you the locations. The first egg is near NPC Naughty, over here. This one, just just at the end of these stairs like this. And then next just take a photo with it, and then the second egg is on top. The second egg is over here on top the statue near this key entrance like this. Just take photo. And then the third egg, which is today's egg, is located under these stairs. This one like this. And then after that just take a photos again like this. The photo will be added directly to your quest collections. And in this quest, you need to collect egg photos every day. Like this. You need to collect egg photos every day for 16 days. This one. And your eggs will keep appearing in different locations, so just look for them on next days. And if you miss some days, you can still find eggs from previous day at their known locations. Or if you start these missions much later and miss many days, you can also take photos with eggs owned by your friends. Just ask your friend to place the egg in their house, and then just take a photo, and it will still count towards completing the quest. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.